Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Valentine's Day date night out makeup routine for you guys. I really love this look. It's kind of like a classic red lip, gold lids, winged liner, lashes kind of look, and it's one of my favorite things to do, especially for like the holidays or for date nights and things like that. So I have a lot of new products in this video for you guys, a couple of new techniques, and I hope that you guys enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with my brows and foundation already on, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this Colourpop and iluvsarahii. This is the Chic-y palette. I'm going to use that brown shade as my transition shade for this look. So I'm just going to start by just putting that all over my crease area and my lid area just to start off as a base. Next, I'm going to use this Kiko water shadow. This is such a beautiful gold color. I remember everyone used to be obsessed with this as a highlighter when it came out, but I mean, it's also a beautiful eyeshadow. So I grabbed some of my Badescu Rosewater spray, and I sprayed that onto a flat brush, and I'm just packing that onto my lid until I get the amount of pigmentation that I want. So I want it to be really nice and bright and gold and shiny. Next, I took this pencil brush and I just began to turn it straight upward, and I'm going to show exactly how I'm pointing it straight up in a minute. But I am just using that with the transition shade that I already have, and we're going to create kind of like a fake cut crease. See, there it is, straight up, and we're going to create kind of like a fake cut crease. So it's not really like a harsh line, but just a definition of separation between that really bright gold shadow and just kind of carving around with that brown color. Next, I created a wing liner with this Absolute New York Starry Eyed matte liquid liner, and then I popped on some lashes. These are Sierra by Lena lashes, and that's what they look like after. These are some of my favorites. Next, I took this Color Fix stick in Apricot from Absolute New York, just as like a color corrector. So I began to put that under my eyes. I don't use a lot of this at all because I don't want it to be too cakey or thick under there. And then I just began to blend it out. On top of that, I used my NYX Dark Circle Corrector in medium. That one has like an orange undertone as well. And just put that right on top. Next, I used my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and this one is one of my absolute favorite concealers. I did a review video on this one a while ago, and I just really love how the finish looks. It's buildable, it's really smooth, it never creases for me, and it literally feels weightless. So I'm just going to put that under my eyes and let it sit for a second, and then blend it in when it starts to get tacky. For my highlight and contour, I'm going to be using this Tarteist MakeupShayla palette. It's still one of my ultimate favorites, and I'm just using that to highlight my chin area, under the eyes where I did the concealer, down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit between my eyebrows and a little on my forehead, and I'm going to do my upper lip Cupid's bow area as well. I took that same pencil brush in that same brown transition shade, and I began to kind of shade my lower lash line. I like for there to be like a little depth and a little bit of shading under there. And on top of that, I went in with my I Love Extreme Volume mascara from Essence Cosmetics. This one is waterproof, so if you have like oily skin or you find that your mascara tends to run in that area, waterproof mascara has saved my life. Now for this part, I'm so sorry. It came out blurry and I didn't even realize it. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores translucent powder and I'm setting that under my eyes, my nose, forehead area, and my laugh lines so that they don't crease in that area.
I'm not a patient girl. I need my daddy. I need that energy.
And then I went ahead and used those 2 brown shades in the MakeupShayla in Tarte palette. And I went ahead and began to contour in the areas where I usually contour. My cheek areas, my forehead. I did a nose contour, cupid's bow area, under my lower lip, and on my jawline, just to make sure that jawline looks nice and snatched. And I'm going to go ahead and speed through this so y'all don't have to sit here and watch this blurry film. I'm so sorry that it came out blurry. Done with the blurriness. So I'm just setting my nose contour with some of that translucent powder as well to make sure that it pops. And I'm using that Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. It gives my skin a really warm and natural glow. So I'm just putting that on top of the areas where I contoured already so that my contour just kind of looks a lot more natural and more bronzy rather than like a strong contour. Next, I'm going to use this Milani blush, and I'll put the name of this down below. This is definitely a dupe for the NARS Dolce Vita that I always wear, and I love this blush. So I'm just going to put that on my cheeks so I get a nice rosy glow. And then after that, I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my contour areas, the big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go over that just to make it blend and, you know, make sure that everything's really seamless.
Baby, tell me now.
Next, I'm going to take this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I'm using the gold shade. I think it's called Beverly Hills. I'll put it down below for you guys. And I was so shook at how bright that gold came out. I was not expecting that at all. Ofra Cosmetics has some of the best highlighters around, and I love like Rodeo Drive and the other ones that they have. So this one is definitely about to be a favorite. It came out a while ago, and this is my first time using it today. So I'm just going to highlight my cupid's bow upper lip area, my nose, my inner corner of my eyes, the chin area, and my cheeks. And I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. This one's in the shade Deep 74, and I've been using this for about a year now, I think. I love this powder, and I have not found another one that's as good as this one. It really sets everything and just makes your skin look really flawless. I finished up with some of the Mario Badescu Rosewater spray to set my skin and just make sure that everything looks nice and blended together. Next, I took this Smashbox Stay Sharp lip liner, and that one was in the shade Crimson. And I'm going to take this Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored by Fenty Beauty. This is my first time wearing this one as well, and oh my goodness, it's just the most beautiful red. It's so bright and vibrant. It's seriously one of my favorites now. It's so beautiful. So that is the finished look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really love this look, so I hope that you guys do as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave me some comments, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. Also, I hope that you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whether you're with your friends, your family, your man, your girl, whoever you're with. I hope that you feel beautiful inside and out, because you are, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.
Acknowledge chemistry. You